Yeah, this is a bigger production line for sample development.
Right, yeah.
So a better cooperation between different departments. First of all is the pattern area. So we actually have a different team work together. They have many pattern makers. Today is a weekend, so some of the pattern makers, they just take a good rest. Let's see here. Actually, you see the pattern maker here, and they still need to communicate with our merchandiser team to know the details. And different group match to different category. Yoga wear have yoga wear pattern maker. Jean wear have jean wear pattern maker. Normally the clothing is separate two kinds. One is knitwear, one is woven wear, or even one is separate to yoga wear and the jean wear and puffer coat. Yeah, puffer coat is more difficult.
Right.
Yeah, so some of them make different categories.
What do you do the most? What kind of clothing you do the most?
We actually do knitwear, casual wear.
Most.
Yeah, but lingerie we do not do.
You do not do?
Yeah, we
Why
do
not?
Not professional. Yeah. If you give us something, we'll check whether we can do. If we can do, we are professional. We'll say yes. Actually, when they finish the pattern, they still have a team leader here. They will give you a review.
Lao ban.
Yeah, lao ban. You know Chinese. They will check out the pattern to make sure the pattern is correct. Yeah, in case of when we go into the sample development and cutting, then the material already waste and need to remake again. Okay, so you see the printer there. Once we finish the...
You print
Yeah, so we need to the printer.
Machine.
Yeah, the printer machine. And then we go into the cutting area. Let's go to the cutting area there.
Everybody looks so happy working here.
If you pay more money, they will be happy.
Do you think you pay them enough? Do you think they getting fair wages?
I think no matter a brand or not, the culture is very important. Yeah, because we try to do something different, not just like trading. To take something here, to sell there, just take the margin in the middle. So this is not our version. We always try to help more fashion brands. Yeah, and then they also have the vision together. Yeah. Now we offer not just a product, it is a real service. The service comes from products, it's just one thing, and also our people, how to communicate. And also the solution we give to the fashion brand. And not just finish one product. And once you finish the product, you also can help them to sell better. So we need to find out the selling point. About how it is also important, we also research the brand's customer. Yeah, why they buy the brand. This is very important. So sometimes we do campaign with fashion brands together. So for example, overseas TikTok. Sometimes the fashion brand, they already have a lot of fans. And we also have a lot of fans in Instagram. Then we can have a campaign together. So we do free shooting service for you here. And then you can make the whole process transparent. And many fashion brands do like this. When they develop sample, they already do sale, pre-sale.
Right.
Yeah, we post some good video and picture to them, and they do pre-sales. And when the sample finish, they know how many they can sell. Yeah, during the process of mass production, they already sells most of them.
Right.
Yeah, so they reorder fast. Yeah, you see the cutting area, the cutting bag is longer, and they need to check two ways. One is pre-shrinkage. Sometimes when you develop sample and when you get them after wash, the size is different because the fabric did not do pre-shrinkage.
So you make this
yeah, so we do
check.
We take the fabric first and then do ironing to make it pre-shrinkage to make sure the size won't change after we finish the sample.
Great.
And then we lay out the pattern paper here. So this is the pattern paper. And all of them are really experienced. They know how to cut. Could you see which one is front, which one is the back?
I think that this is front because it's laid this way.
Yeah, and also when you do clothes, you also need to analyze the degradation of the fabric. Yeah. So for example, the t-shirt here, this is the horizon. The shape is like this way, and this way is different. So sometimes we need to analyze which direction is good for this part and that part. So they're totally different. Once they finish the cutting, they will sort out the cutting pieces. And then we take the cutting pieces to here. This part is the area for the ready sample making. Yeah. So once all of the fabric cutting and material accessory ready, then assign to different group of tailors. Yeah, different tailors. They have the test every day and take two into their sample production line. Tailor will finish their daily job, the document here, and need to match. They have the item number, and this is the first time sampling, and we import into the system. We actually have all the record for this sample import into our system. So even after half a year, you wanna say, "Hey, Jason, do you still have the information of the fabric or the size?" We still keep them, and we know how to give you the cost. So and also button and accessory take here, and we have a system. This is the reference. Once the sample finish, you see over there have a lot of clothing.
Yeah.
So that part have a lot of model mannequin. Right?
Mannequin, yeah.
Mannequin. Okay. So they all different sizes, plus sizes. Most of them are European sizes.
European. But if someone wants Chinese, do you also have Chinese?
All of our clients is foreigner, so we don't.
So you don't have Chinese sizing?
We have Chinese sizes. Definitely. We know we are Chinese, so we know the sizes.
Well, you're not gonna measure them yourself.
Yeah, it is okay. Just need to make sure the fitting is correct. So when sample finish, we not send to you directly. We need to have the process is reviewing the whole sample. Actually, we have some colleagues. They review all the
quality review.
Yeah. They will review and take some notes. If the sample not correct, then we will return back to tailors. We need to refine the details. Yeah, if totally wrong, then we will update to our clients. Okay, so this one we might need to delay, and whether it is possible to do some changes like this. So we review the sample here. So if the sample correct, then we will put it back. The merchandiser will take the sample and then send to our clients. Yeah, then we finish the whole process. And the next step is developing the mass production. Yeah.
Where is that?
This is sampling production line.
Where is your factory?
It's surrounding, so also different production line. Yeah, maybe next time I can guide you to see Puffer coat.
Yeah.
There are a lot of cottons.
Really?
Yeah.